Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Siti Nawal M. Cabaro from Block A. Today, I am going to discuss the ester band and urea cycle. But first, I am going to tackle the ester band. So what is ester band? In chemistry, an ester is a compound na nakuha galing sa acid, either organic or inorganic, in which hydrogen atom, at least one acidic hydroxyl group, is replaced by an organyl group. Ito yung itsura ng ester band. Kapag ang organyl na ito or the alcohol at yung carboxylic acid ay nag-react, ito na yung itsura niya. Or tinatawag na ester band. Ang ester can be formed from oxoacids. Example, esters of acetic acid, carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, and nitric acid. So, ano nga bang organyl esters? An organyl esters of carboxylic acid typically have a pleasant smell, low molecular weight, and commonly used as fragrances and are found in essential oils and pheromones. So, ang carboxylic acids din, example niya is katulad ng animal fats, vegetable oils, at saka lactose. So, the next is the urea cycle. Urea cycle is a cycle of biochemical pathway in the liver that converts toxic ammonia, a waste product from protein metabolism, into less harmful urea. This cycle is used to animals, mainly amphibians and mammals, are called ureotelic. A urea cycle converts highly toxic ammonia to urea for excretion. Ang role nito sa katawan ng tao is the carrier of waste nitrogen also plays a role in the counter-current exchange system of the nephrons that allows for reabsorption of water and critical ions from excrete urine. So, ito yung itsura ng urea cycle. Yung ammonia, then the aspartate, tapos yung fumarate, then ornithine, and lastly the urea. Urea cycle is a liver detox factory, and the ornithine is the cycle shuttle or bus, or siya yung nag-move papasok at paexit of mitochondria. Ang aspartate naman is fumarate exit. And lastly, the liver makes urine kidney excrete. That's all. Thank you.